Hello, my name is Michael, and I'm here today with a Clearview tech tip. And what we're going to talk about today is a database called NoveList. So let's get there first, and then I will describe what NoveList is all about. So, of course, we're here at our main page, clearviewlibrary.org. We're going to go to our databases, which, if you hover your mouse over Explore across the top, and then scroll down to databases. Now we have a bunch of online tutorials. If you need help using a database, you can click on this link across the top. And so we're going to scroll down today and we're going to find Novelist. So it's this purple icon that says Discover Books with Novelist. It's in a reader's advisory service. So if you ever are looking for a book you read long ago, you don't remember all of it, but you remember maybe some elements, this is a great service to use. It's a good service to use if you're looking for read-alikes, so something like a book you loved. It's great for finding books for book groups and book clubs you're in, or if you just want to recommend books to people that are similar to other books they've enjoyed. So let's go ahead and click on Novelist, and it's going to have us sign in with just your library card number, no spaces. And here we are at the main page. So this is going to give you a lot of information right away. We have a search across the top, and of course, it's going to give you sort of a general idea of how you can search here. So you can even search just by describing a book. The example it gives is Japan 1930 Women. So you could just search with keywords if you remember parts of a book that you loved and kind of want to dig deep and find that. In the middle of the page here, we have sort of a mood guide. They call it an appeal mixer. So you can search if you're in the mood for certain types of books. So the examples it's giving are witty and sardonic, intricately plotted and compelling, world building and dramatic. And then you can change the age range as well. Now, if you want to make your own combo for the appeal mixer, you can click on appeal mixer here and you'll select different kind of categories and a second choice here. And you can find titles based off of your appeal mix as well. Of course, you can browse by genre for adult, teens, and different age groups. You can keep up with what's happening in certain age groups like YA Lit, Westerns, mystery, fantasy, all the new stuff, all the stuff people are talking about, featured award winners. And then there's a toolbox for Reader's Advisory. So it gives you tools, tips and tricks, and inspiration down here on the bottom right. And then on the left, we have a bunch of recommended read lists. So if you want to see recommended read lists for fantasy, you can click on that, and then it'll give you subgenres. Now you can also just browse by appeal, theme, award winners. You can look specifically in Reader's Advisory or working with youth, and author read-alikes. So let's say you like Stephen King, you would click on author read-alikes, type in Stephen King, and it will give you authors and books that are similar to his style. So there's also a great advanced search here as well. So if you really want to dig deep into it, advanced search is a good way to go. So Novelist is excellent if you're trying to find a specific style of book, if you're trying to recommend books to people that are like other books you know they've enjoyed, or if you're in a book club trying to browse through titles that everyone can agree on that they like. Or if you're just in a certain mood, you can try the appeal mixer and see what it recommends for you and find great new books that way. So thank you for joining me on today's tech tip from the Clearview Library District, and we will see you next time.